Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Odoo 19. And in today's video, we're gonna discuss about how to check the online status. That is, if you don't want to get any notifications from the users, you can set do not disturb. So as you move on to the home screen, you can see that currently Michelle Admin is logged in, and you can see that it will be indicated with a green color, right? Now, as you move on to the icon of Michelle Admin or to the login users, here you can find that the user is online and the user do not need to get any notifications. So here you can see that we can just enable do not disturb. So as we just enable that, here you can see it will be indicated and it will be showing the status as busy, and the user will not be receiving any notification even if any other users just send message to them. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.